Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright, Saggis, let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Saggis. Lot of sadness, lot of regret, looking back at the past. Trying to heal your heart but feeling a bit unmotivated, Sagittarius. Okay, but there is a judgment card which is in the upright that is suggesting some kind of a rebirth, but at the moment, Sagittarius, I don't see any communication. You are trying to heal, or this could be the cross watcher. Like I said, feeling no excitement, no enthusiasm, feeling there's no victory to be had here. Maybe somebody made a decision here, or you were forced to make a decision. But when you look back, you don't feel very happy about it. There's a lot of lost time, energy, emotions, everything which leads you to feel that you lost maybe a beautiful partnership which you could have had, but you are trying. You are trying to get over all this overthinking, trying to drop this past baggage, and there is a rebirth of something coming. I don't know what that is. I'll get to know once I clarify these cards. Okay, Saggis? So let's start with your dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification. So, Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person, thank you. Let's take a few more from here. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person, thank you. And I'm going to take a few more Sagittarius from the last deck, and then we'll start your reading. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Alright, good to go, Saggis. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know that you stalk me on social media and use other sources to gather information about me after you've chosen to ghost me. It's so not cool. If you want to know anything about my life, you should step up and be involved in it. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that, and the thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. I'm at a breaking point right now because you apologize. However, you continue to make the same mistakes. This has become a toxic behavior that needs addressing if you want this relationship to work. It irritates me that you mock my spirituality when I'm doing everything I can to learn and show and grow up to become a better person. You tease me and you make fun of my beliefs. I find that really hurtful as you're unwilling to even talk with me about them. Whether together or apart, I feel a prisoner of your heart. You're all I want, my everything. I don't want to be free, for we are chained together in love. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I've ever done. It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. I will wait for you as long as I have to. I really need your warmth and affection. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. So, Sajis, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start our reading. Before I clarify these cards, I'm going to see what my angels have to say, or maybe a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Sajis. Optimistic. All right, yeah, this goes so well with the core energy of my reading. Somebody's really disappointed, right? And my angels are saying, no, don't be. Be optimistic. Things are not the way they seem. And if something is going wrong, Sagittarius, right now, this too shall pass. Okay? Nothing stays stagnant forever. There's always changes coming. And good times, bad times, I mean, it's all a, wheel. What goes up has to come up. What goes up has to come down. So yes, be optimistic. Don't stay in this place for too long. Of course, I could be reading straight to your cross watcher. I don't know. You would know your stories. Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why is the Three of Swords in reverse? Certain things have been revealed, and one person, whoever the person is here, is feeling this sadness and regret again. Come on, Sagittarius. I just talked about this card, didn't I? This was the overall energy of my reading, and here it is again. It's trying to heal from whatever has been revealed now, but still in a lot of pain, lot of guilt, lot of sadness, regret, feeling so much time, energy wasted, and nothing really came about. But the whole point of this card, Sagittarius, that's what the angels are also saying. This person is so concentrated on the things that didn't work out, is not turning around to see right behind them there are two full cups. All you have to do is to be optimistic enough to turn around, and you'll see there are good things in your life. You have two full cups waiting just behind you. All you have to do is turn around. Okay? Don't focus so much on the past of what didn't happen, rather than be optimistic about what still is. So, Ace of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Ace of Wands in reverse. It was a new beginning, I think, which you wanted, but it could have been turned down. Maybe somebody said, no, I'm not interested. Maybe there was a competition around it. There was a lot of delay, argument, fighting. And you did want this, didn't you? You saw this person as the person that was perfect. But now the Six of Wands in reverse. Six of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Why is the Six of Wands in reverse? Even though there is no new beginning here being offered, and somewhere you do feel that this person just gives you breadcrumbs or doesn't give you enough. As much as you want to believe that they are true to their word or charismatic and charming, you do suspect somewhere that they are a bit selfish and a bit self-centered as well, right? But you still want this equal give and take, because why? Because there's a lot of love here. There's so much of love that you have. Again, I'm saying this could be your crosswatcher feeling like this, but there is a lot of love despite the sadness, despite whatever has been revealed. This was your person. This is your person. And even though you feel they fooled you or they are being selfish, they are still the one. You still wish to have equal give and take. Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Two of Swords in reverse. But whatever has been revealed now, something is now out in the open. I think one person has been forced to make a decision of releasing this connection, maybe bringing it to a halt, and that's the reason for the sadness and feeling bad. Two of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Two of Cups in reverse. Even though there is so much of sadness here, maybe the other person is feeling the same way. They're feeling the loss of this connection. I do see somebody who wants to now communicate, maybe come forward with an apology or something, have some clear communication about making a choice. But they just be a little mindful. This could be a little bit of emotional manipulation here. They could just be coming forward because they don't like the stuck feeling between the two of you. They don't want to be overthinking this. They don't want any burden on their head. They don't like the fact that you guys are not celebrating together, or there is nothing much going on between the two of you. You guys are not talking. So who's releasing what, Spirit? They're scared of bad karma, maybe. They've given it a lot of thought, being in hermit mode, and they do want to start again, it seems. They do want to start a brand new chapter, and they, first and foremost, I think they just want this, if you are the Queen of Swords here, they just want that their person should trust them again, or put down barriers. They feel they're going to get punished by the universe if they leave it here. I think they just want to make up at the moment, looking for a rebirth of this connection. They do love you, is Queen of Cups. They do love you, but they are taking it very slow, very, very slow, trying to halt offering anything stable. Both these cards were sideways. So basically trying not to promise more than they can deliver, maybe, but they also regret that you guys are not together or not talking. They don't want any bad karma on them, so they could be coming forward with an apology to have some very head over heart discussions about trying to heal this connection, but I'm not sure how much it's coming from the heart space. Okay, so just be a little mindful not to get your hopes up very high very quickly. It could just be that they still want to just win. They don't like the fact that things have gotten spoiled between the two of you. So what's this Eight of Wands in reverse, Spirit, overall energy? The communication basically is from this Queen of Swords end. I think they have still not received the offer of commitment. Okay, offer of commitment, and that's the reason of this the stoppage of communication or whatever's happened, or the sadness. But there is hope of something. I'm not sure about love, but passion, yes, still exists between the two of you. If they do come back, Sagittarius, to have communication or to say some sweet nothings to you, I have a feeling this person's coming back because A, they don't like it that you guys are not talking, and B, they feel they don't want to have the stress of this pain that they're feeling of doing something wrong, or maybe getting karma for their actions or something like that. And also, yes, they do have love in their own way, but it's more about they always wanting to win. Okay, so just go slow if this happens, because you don't want to get your heart hurt again, right? So just take it slow. All right, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.